I say bananas, you say peppers. And I'm literally about to film another video for Graveyard Girl. That's why I've got just a stack of cardboard boxes behind me. You guys, I'm so excited to unbox all of these. They are Amazon returns or Amazon, what's the other thing that's been trending lately? Amazon undelivered packages. I think it's going to be a mixture of like both of those things, but I have 4 giant cardboard boxes that came off of a pallet, so I'm very excited. But you guys, even more excited for that I am for today, for today's subject matter, because I finally, oh my God, I know I've been saying this so much over the last year, but I have been like intermittently like super deep cleaning, and I mean like in the back of every closet, in the bottom of every drawer, like super deep cleaning. So I'm finding all of these things that I thought were just lost to the sands of time, or they've honestly been missing for so long that I was like, wait, did I just dream these items up? But a couple of years ago, when we went to Disney World, you guys know, because I feel like I've talked about it a lot, like my favorite like souvenir shop or just place to shop at Disney World completely is the big store in Japan at Epcot. You know, they have like the World Showcase, and oh my gosh, they have like an entire Studio Ghibli portion of the store, and they always have the most unique like Studio Ghibli items, like stationery in the shape of like actual little fans that you can use, like the cutest plushies, and just like really random awesome things that are like imported from Japan. So it's like stuff that you don't normally see around here. My favorite Studio Ghibli film is Spirited Away, and you guys may or may not know, because I think I only mentioned it like once in passing, that my favorite Studio Ghibli character is Bow Mouse from Spirited Away, and I'm always looking for any kind of like little item for Bow Mouse, and it's kind of rare because I feel like he's not necessarily like the biggest character. They have like a lot of keychains and like fun cute things that sometimes I'm able to order from like Amazon Japan and whatever. Anyway, what I bought a couple of years ago that they had in a glass case at Epcot, Japan, this is such a long story, is No Face mystery charms. Like, we unboxed these. These are seriously like blind boxes, I guess. They are actually like, I think they're like little ceramic boxes. You guys, it's been more than 2 years, I feel like, since I bought these. It's embarrassing I lost them for that long, but I actually had them in like this little travel makeup bag, which, oh, can you guys see the green and the purple? Ugh. So yeah, they were like zipped up in this little travel makeup bag, and then they were like wrapped up in styrofoam. And I thought we would find these like so many times that I've done those videos with you guys where I'm like, oh, I haven't opened this bag in forever. Or like last year I did one specifically that I was like unpacking my Disney bag because we were like supposed to go to Disney World last year. Anyway, I thought we would find them. We didn't. We have found them now. So I actually thought I bought like 5 or 6 of them, but I only bought 3 of them because I feel like now I'm remembering there was not that many options that you could get, and they were like $15 a piece, which I feel like we've done more expensive blind boxes, have we? I feel like usually they're around like $12, but everything at Disney is like more expensive. Granted, 12 and 15 are not that different. Do they still sell these? Should I get more? Maybe I did buy more. Maybe there will be such a day in time when there will be a part 2 to this video. But since I found them, I finally wanted to open them before I lose them again, because I feel like I bought them and then I found them and then I lost them again. Anyway, you guys. Anyway, this is the tag. Oh my gosh. Okay, so the bottom of him opens up. It's just a little sticker. He looks like he's smiling, honestly. And I guess we just pull this little section on the bottom, and a silver charm. I think they were silver. That looks kind of gold. That comes out. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is magical. See, I feel like these had really, really like rare options because this is the water spirit. Oh my gosh, Dogman's gonna be so happy. We like watched that scene over and over and over again where anybody else do that? Like, I feel like I will not watch like sometimes a whole movie over and over and again, but I'll just play like a scene that I like. This is so cool. It has a really nice weight to it. It feels like high quality. Look at that. It looks so cool. And it's just flat on the back. And then there's a little scroll that came out too. So I'm gonna unwrap that and see if maybe it'll show us all the options, because I don't remember all the options, but I do remember that I thought that there was at least. Maybe I'm wrong. No, maybe I was after the frog. You guys, there's been too many years. So it looks like there's bath tokens, the water spirit. I think that's like the fried lizard snack. And then that is a really cool option as well, which is like the stone statue, you know, when they first enter like the spirit realm. And then there is a frog, which that is honestly probably what I was going for. And then it looks like the rice snack. I always forget how to say that. So yeah, see, I came up with a whole different memory here that I was like, I'm trying to get the mouse, and like the mouse isn't even an option. But I feel like I liked all of them, but obviously at all times I'm team frog. See, I also remembered them like I thought they were gonna like come apart like eggs. Oh my gosh. Look, I wonder if that means we're gonna definitely not get a duplicate, because look, the no face even looks different. Like, it looks like this one is a little taller and he has a smile, and then this one just has his little hands. So that's really, really interesting. Oh my gosh. Okay, so that makes me like really excited that maybe you could potentially like collect all 6. Let's pull the tab and see. Oh my gosh, yay. Okay, it's one of the other like coolest options in my humble opinion. It is the statue that I just showed you guys that are like on the outside, which, oh my gosh, you guys have to let me know if you're like super Spirited Away Studio Ghibli fans, because they came out with these jackets. I just have to know if anybody else in the world has seen this merch. And I think they actually did these for a couple of Studio Ghibli films now, but they're like those like silk kind of jackets, you know, with like the stitching all over them. Right now my mind is drawing a blank and I cannot think of what they're called, but they have like embroidery stitching on them. And most of the time they say like a location on the front, and then they have like a larger like embroidered patch on the back. But they did one for Spirited Away and it was so cool. I think it was like bright blue, and then it had these statues like embroidered on the front. You guys, these would make such an interesting necklace, or if you did collect all 6, it could be like a magical charm bracelet. Oh my gosh. Okay, now if I just get the frog in the third one, it would be perfect. So let's see if we got another different no face. I feel like I didn't see that at first. Well, because honestly, I haven't seen these in years. And secondly, the cellophane like kind of hides that a little bit. No face number 3. So here he has his little hands out. He's so cute. Okay, let's see if he's a different height. I wonder if all of these are like hand painted or something. I don't know. They have like that kind of look to them. They look about the same size. Maybe it's just this one that's like slightly taller. ASMR. Okay. I'm excited to see. Okay. Who did we get? Oh, okay. So very close to a frog. I saw something amphibian-like and I got very excited. We did get, it looks like the little lizard snack. This one is really cute too. And I really like how they're like the unusual things from Spirited Away, you know? I feel like you'll see a lot of like the same things over and over again. But yeah, that is pretty fascinating. There he is. Little lizard snack. Right? Isn't that what the frogs are eating or something is like a little lizard on a stick, or is that a memory I just made up as well? I'm sorry, I don't have more of these. I don't know either what I was thinking only getting 3 or what I'm doing now that maybe they're still missing. I don't know, but I would love to know you guys' thoughts and opinions on these. Should I see if I can like find more of these kind of mystery boxes? You guys know now I've been doing Amazon Japan a lot, so it kind of has like opened up this whole other world of like possibly finding and buying these kind of collectible items, because, you know, ever since I've been on Amazon Japan, I have seen a couple of things that they offer in Epcot Japan. You guys, I feel like it's because my sleep schedule is like so messed up. I feel like my brain is just like not connecting. Like my thoughts are so incomplete today. But anyway, yeah, let me know if you guys would like for me to find like something different like this again. I feel like this is like a completely different kind of mystery unboxing than we've ever done before. So yeah, let me know all of you guys' thoughts and opinions. Hopefully my energy isn't like too weird. And thank you guys so much for hanging out today and for watching. I hope you're all having a wonderful day. If you're not already and you'd like to be, hit the button down below, subscribe, become a member of the Banana Pepper Squad today. And until I see you guys again, stay happy, stay healthy, stay sassy, stay banana peppery. I love you guys so much, and I will be back again with something very exciting very soon.